Welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Oren from the Incredibox SUBSCRIE. Right, let's start off with the eyes. And right in the middle, we're going to draw it in two nice round circles. Right around here. Let's just start off with one. And we'll repeat the same one on the right, same size. With those two done, let's draw a line right down the middle of each. And let's add in the pupils. Now we want to just color these in black. Like so. Nice. And Oren does wear headphones, so let's draw in two lines on either side to start with the headphones. Let's start right around here on the top of the line, straight down to around this point, and we're going to draw the same line on either side. And the headphones are just going to start with a rectangle. To keep it simple, and the cup. Once the headphones are done, let's draw in the shape of the head. It's going to be a circle. Starting around right where the cup is, we're going to go around to the other side. Around as possible. Same thing for the bottom. Around as possible. It's going to be the shape of the head. And give him a little smile like so. And we need a little eyebrows, right, one right here and one right here. And the hair, it's gonna be two lines like so. And to complete the headphones, we're gonna draw in an arc following the line up here, but a little higher. We'll go up, higher, around, and down. And follow the same line inside and down. This is going to be the top of the headphones. And now we just need the antennae. We're going to do one circle here, one circle here, and connect it to the head with these two lines, like so. All we're missing is the body. It's going to be starting right around here on either side, and we'll go down to this point on both sides, and finally connect the bottom, and your drawing of Oren is done. Now we want to find a nice good orange to color in our drawing. Alright, with your orange marker, we're going to color in these areas first. Get in the headphones, just outside, and then the head. Looking nice, and then the top of the eyes. And body. With the lighter orange, we can color in the rest. Of our Oren. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.